whole body being still, moving as one. It's not a philosophy anymore, it's actual manifested reality.
The thing about standing meditation is, or the Hunyun posture, or of Zhan Zhuang, this one, the hugging the tree posture. Okay? It depends how you practice it. In my lineage, I trained under my Shifu, Dr. Jeff. And the way we do it like in a meditative form. To the point that the byproduct is internal power. But the main goal is stillness of mind. That's why I would say standing meditation. It's more of a meditation practice. That's why you'll notice when I do it, I close my eye and I put an emphasis on sinking the chest and rounding the upper back. Okay? It doesn't matter what posture I use, I maintain that. What happens within that stillness, it generates motion, which is the internal power, the Neijia. However, that's a byproduct of the stillness. So in other words, I don't do this with the ultimate goal of gaining power. Although what will happen is, within that stillness, as you breathe in the lower dantian and connect to Yang Zhuang, energy comes up. Then what you do is you keep your intent down, so you balance it out. Okay, between the sinking and the raising of the energy is a balance. However, what does happen is sometimes you can feel that strength or power, but the main goal is the stillness of mind. Emotions will rise as you sink and open the heart, and also thoughts, and then you sink back for that stillness. So it sounds paradoxical. So as I keep doing stillness and also harmonize the whole body and get out of the way, I get health. So also the goal is not health. Health will also be a byproduct. So internal energy will be a byproduct, as well as health will be a byproduct. But what I'm ultimately focusing on is stillness. Okay? And you need more than just the Zhan Zhuang to really understand it. So once with that state or that understanding that you build within the state and practice, you then add it to the other things. So if you do, for example, Tai Chi, or in this case, in my case, Yang style Tai Chi, I'll then add it to the form. Okay, this is what I basically advise my high performance clients, the likes of Stefan Dugudier, who is a movement coach on Instagram. He's one of my clients. So basically, in my case, I incorporate it in the form, and you'll see also if I'm doing the 5G, for example, as I basically here sink and release from the back foot to the front foot. So for example, if a partner is holding here and I do this, I then release, and then they will move a few meters away. Okay, that will be basically the 5G. Release of the internal power, and that happens. And that is basically it. So that state, you apply it. That's why if you click the link in the description or the pinned comment, the tutorials go beyond just the free tutorial most people have downloaded, which you can also find in the description or pinned comment, that basically goes on to the other drills that you get from standing practice, and then you can use it for internal power, which will be a byproduct also from the stillness, as well as health. Okay, so subscribe and check the free tutorial, but if you want more in-depth, check the other tutorial as well. Okay, thank you.